Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, I request everyone to please press the bell icon for the latest update. All right, let's go to the news article. Today we have some highlights of budget 2024. Students, those who are younger students, please go through yesterday's video to understand the meaning of budget. All right. Students, India's budget, it was first time introduced by James Wilson. What is a budget? It gives a detailed account of government's finances during the year from over a year from financial. This period, 1st April to March 31, is known as the financial year. ठीक है? Some historical facts related to budget is first budget जो introduce किया गया था इंडिया में, it was presented by a British economist James Wilson. ठीक है? And after independence, when India got independence in 1947, then India's first budget was presented by Finance Minister R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. Okay, तो ये कुछ facts हैं जो आपको याद रखना है. Another thing, who prepares the budget? जो budget है वो बनाता कौन है? So students, it is basically prepared by the Department of Economic Affairs, which comes under the Ministry of Finance. Now, this department, it is responsible for making the budget document. All right. तो budget बनाता कौन है? Department of Economic Affairs. And this department comes under Ministry of Finance. And this department is responsible for preparing the budget document. ठीक है? इतना क्लियर है? Now, अब बजट 2024 के क्या हाइलाइट्स है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यूनियन बजट of 2024, Finance Minister outlines 9 key priorities for a विकसित भारत. ये विकसित भारत क्या है? Students, Viksit Bharat 2047 is a vision set by the government of India to transform our country into a developed nation by the year 2047. Why 2047? Because this marks the 100 years of India's independence. So this initiative, it aims to achieve growth and development across various sectors, ensuring that we gain sustainable and inclusive progress. So that is the main objective behind Viksit Bharat. ठीक है? तो अब ये विकसित भारत के कुछ 9 प्रायोरिटीज हैं. And these 9 priorities were also highlighted in Union Budget. The budget priorities क्या-क्या है? First of all, we have productivity and resilience in agriculture, employment and skilling, inclusive human resource development and social justice. Students, if you're finding these terms difficult, don't worry. इसके बारे में हम और समझेंगे. ठीक है? जैसे जैसे इसके बारे में हम न्यूज़ डिटेल्स आती रहेंगी, हम समझते रहेंगे. तो जस्ट फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या क्या बोला गया है. वी हैव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सर्विसेज, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट, एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इनोवेशन, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन रिफॉर्म्स. ठीक है? तो ये 9 प्रायोरिटी एरियाज है. एंड स्पेशली क्या क्या फंड एलोकेट किया गया है अगर हम बात करते हैं तो फॉर द एग्रीकल्चर सो दैट कि एग्रीकल्चर हमारा अच्छा हो और रेजिलिएंट हो. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली farmers, we know that farmers grow the food we eat. So we want to help them with better seeds, tools, and ways to sell their crops so they can earn money, right? So government has allocated around 1.52 lakh crores for agriculture sector. Okay, you don't have to remember these facts, just understand about the whole thing. Okay, आपको ये facts वगैरह याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, just आपको समझना है कि गवर्नमेंट ने किस एरिया को किस ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ पैसे एलोकेट किए हैं. Employment and skilling. Now, we know that unemployment is one of the significant issue in India's economy. So, government has allotted money for the education sector, employment generation, and skilling of workers. Then we have inclusive human resource development and social justice. Government has also decided to give 10 lakhs rupees 10 lakhs for higher education in domestic institution, those who want to you know access higher education in domestic institution, meaning the institution which are there in India. Okay, so they will be given loan of around 10 lakhs. Then for the manufacturing का मतलब क्या होता है? The products that are procured from the primary sector, then in the secondary sector we process them, है ना? हम उनको प्रोसेस करते हैं टू टर्न देम इनटू फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स. तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में मुद्रा लोन विल बी गिवन एंड मुद्रा लोन लिमिट इज इंक्रीज्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज मुद्रा लोन, स्टूडेंट्स? Mudra loan is a special type of loan in India which is designed to help small business owners. Okay, जो small business owners हैं उनको हेल्प करने के लिए कि वो अपना बिजनेस अच्छे से स्टैब्लिश कर सके. सो गवर्नमेंट क्रिएटेड दिस मुद्रा लोन टू प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट to those who want to start or grow their small businesses but might not have access to traditional bank loans. So, this loan can be used for various purposes like buying equipment, setting up new business, or expanding an existing one. So, basically, it's an easy and affordable way for small businesses to get the money they need to succeed. तो ये है मुद्रा लोन के बारे में. Now there are some schemes that are mentioned in the budget. Again, I am reminding you all कि आप जो ये वर्ड टेक्निकल वर्ड्स है उसको ज्यादा फोकस नहीं कीजिएगा. आप जो मेन जो चीज बताई जा रही है उस पे फोकस कीजिएगा, उस पे ध्यान दीजिएगा, क्योंकि जो टेक्निकल टर्म्स हैं वो इतना ज्यादा स्पेशली फॉर द यंगर स्टूडेंट्स इट इज नॉट रेलिवेंट फॉर देम. ठीक है, तो जैसे यू जस्ट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मुद्रा लोन. मुद्रा लोन क्या है? अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ लोन टू प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट फॉर स्मॉल बिजनेसेस, है ना? सिमिलरली वी हैव अनदर स्कीम, पीएम प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना. नाउ दिस स्कीम हैज बीन स्टार्टेड a few years back, but government has increased the fund for this scheme. Okay, so what is the scheme is all about? It's a program by the Indian government to help people get their own homes. Okay, so the goal is to make housing affordable for everyone, especially for those who might not have enough money to buy a house. And then we have PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Now this scheme, this plan by the Indian government is to the objective is to provide free electricity to every household. And this electricity will be produced using solar power. Okay, so under this, solar panels are installed on rooftops to generate electricity from sunlight. Basically, the aim is to help household get free, clean, and renewable energy so that they'll have reduced electricity bills, and additionally, it will also promote environmental sustainability. So that is the basic idea behind Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So government in this budget has also increased the fund for this yojana, and 300 units free electricity every month will be given to those who are beneficiaries under this scheme. And infrastructure development is also there. There's another scheme known as Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. So this a Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is a scheme which aims to provide all weather connectivity road for the rural areas. ओके तो जो रूरल एरियाज में लोग रह रहे हैं उनके लिए ऑल वेदर कनेक्टिविटी रोड प्रोवाइड कराना है और इस स्कीम के लिए भी फंड इंक्रीज किया गया है ओके सो दैट इज दैट्स ऑल students these are all just the highlights of budget 2024 another thing about budget is जैसे पहले भी एक इंटरिम बजट इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था नाउ डोंट वरी अबाउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंटरिम बजट एंड यूनियन बजट यू कैन आस्क योर मेंटोर्स अबाउट व्हाट इज ऑल अबाउट इन द मेंटरशिप सेशन तो इंटरिम बजट में भी और इस वाले बजट में भी देर आर फ्यू एरियाज ऑफ फोकस कुछ फोकस एरिया थे जिन पे ध्यान दिया है कि इनको सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। सो फोकस एरियाज़ ऑफ विकसित भारत बजट इज़ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गरीब, फोकस विल बी ऑन द पुअर पीपल, गरीब कल्याण, देश का कल्याण। सो मेनली फोकस विल बी ऑन पुअर पीपल। देन एम्पावरिंग यूथ, युवा। And third one, we have welfare of farmers. Farmer are also named as Annadata. Okay, welfare of farmers. And at last, we have empowering women, Nari Shakti. ठीक है? So, focus areas of Viksit Bharat budget are Garib, poor people, and empowering youth, Yuva Shakti, and then welfare of farmers, that is Annadata, and then at last we have Nari Shakti, that is empowering women. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स तो ये फोकस एरियाज है विकसित भारत के alright students that's it for today if you have any doubt you can ask me on the comments below and again don't forget to like subscribe and share and please press the bell icon for the latest update